Hey, today I want to share with you all the things I wish I knew before getting this dual air fryer. First thing, again, it is a dual basket. You can cook something on this side and something totally different on this side. You can see you can set your temperatures to each side right there and different timers. First thing you're going to see over here where it says Smart Finish, you can set this up so if this side is going to take 20 minutes to cook and this side only is going to take 15, you can get it to where they're both going to end at the exact same time. Now, what is the capacity? This is a 9.5 quart capacity. You're going to see right here, it has all these different presets to make it very easy for you. If you're doing fish, shrimp, if you're doing pizza, ribs, French fries, it has a lot of different presets. I like when you push it in, you get that nice clicking sound that you know it's nicely sealed. And nice, easy to grip handle, makes it very easy for opening. This is the way the basket looks. This is going to be the cooking grid that goes inside. These slide in real nice and easy. And just how easy is the touch control? You touch it, it comes right on right away. You can easily pick between the different presets. I'm just going to reheat some pizza. I could put it right there. It's going to give me the temperature that's recommended. I'm going to do some fish. It'll let me know what is recommended there if I'm going to be cooking vegetables. So I do like that. Now, if you want to cook something at a very specific time, you can easily change the amount of time or the cooking temperature. To set your cooking time, you simply press right down here and you can easily set it to the temperature and you can easily put it to the exact time you want it to cook for. And in case you're wondering, yes, both these pieces of the basket are good to go into the dishwasher. Now, of course, the most important thing, let's see how well this actually cooks.
Today I'll be cooking salmon and some roasted potatoes. You know, I really think the food looks absolutely phenomenal and actually is some of the best tasting salmon I've ever had.
Well, I hope I was able to answer some of the questions you had about this air fryer and show you just how well it really works.